In this video, I will show you how to install the Locklizard viewer on an iOS device. This demo will cover the following items. In the first section, we look at installing from the Apple App Store. So navigate to and open the App Store. Click on Search. Start typing Locklizard. If it appears in the list, select it from the list. Then select Get. Then select Install. The app then installs. Select Open. You can read through the tips messages by swiping through them as normal, or cancel them by selecting the X in the top right corner. In this case, we will cancel them. The viewer then will fully open. When you are finished, close the viewer. For future use, the PDC viewer icon can be found in your main apps area. In this section, we will cover adding your license and PDC documents via email. So go to your apps area and launch the mail client. Mine is Outlook. Locate your license email. Then click on the license email to open it. Scroll down to the Activate Your License section and click on the named license file, Carl Jones license in this case. The license file appears at the bottom left of the screen. Click Download. Then click Open In. Then select the PDC viewer icon. The license downloads and registers in the viewer. Then go back to your email client and open the email containing the protected document. Click on the protected document. Then click on the upload icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Share File Via. Click on the PDC viewer icon. The protected file then downloads into the viewer. Click on the protected file. The file then opens in the viewer for viewing. When you are finished viewing files, just close down the viewer. In this section, we're going to look at adding documents and licenses via Wi-Fi. To do this, you must make sure your iOS device is connected to the same network as the computer you're uploading from. So first, open the PDC viewer. Select the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select the Wi-Fi icon in the lower right corner of the screen. A message appears saying Wi-Fi upload started. Take note of the URL to connect your web browser to. In this instance, the files are on my Windows PC. So I open the web browser on my PC and enter the URL as displayed. Under Documents, select Choose Files to navigate to your Files folder. Select any documents to upload, then click Open. Documents selected. Under License, select Choose Files to navigate to the license file. Select the license file, then click Open. Both files are now showing. Click Submit. Files are uploaded successfully. Back on your iOS device, it will read Wi-Fi upload started. License file uploaded. Protected document uploaded. Wi-Fi upload done. Click OK. Click the licenses icon at the bottom right of the screen and click on the license file. The registration successful message appears. Click OK. Click on the Documents icon at the bottom left of the screen. Click on the protected document. The protected document then opens for viewing. When you are finished viewing documents, close the viewer. In this section, we're going to look at adding documents and licenses via the cloud using Dropbox. You must install Dropbox on your computer and iOS device. We assume that you have done this and you are familiar with file sharing. So first, open Dropbox. Navigate to your files. Click on the three dots next to the license file and choose Save to Device. Click on the PDC Viewer icon. The license file downloads and installs. Return to Dropbox and click on the three dots next to the document. Select Save to Device. Again, click on the PDC Viewer icon. The document file downloads into the viewer. Click on the document and the document opens for viewing. When you are finished viewing documents, close the viewer.